Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Make sure you hit that big red subscribe button so we can make it to 5,000 subscribers. And also don't forget to check out that sweet merch. Go check it out. Links are below. But anyways, what do we have today? Today, I'm going to be eating a glazed donut in, of course you guessed it, in the shower, with the shower running. So without further ado, let's just get it on. Water running. Alright, I think we're ready. Alright. Alright, let's do this. Alright, hang on, thumbnail. There we go. Thumbnail. Alright. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. No, not bad. No. Definitely, you want some more eating their shower. Subscribe for more. Subscribe for more. I do a lot of crazy, wild stuff on this channel. Alright, there we go. Well, challenge complete. Alright. So there we go. Eating a glazed donut in the shower. Complete. Alright, but anyways, I think that's going to wrap her up here. As always, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the support. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that big red subscribe button so we can make 5,000 subscribers. And don't forget to check out that sweet merch. Go check it out. Links are below. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. See you guys later. Bye!